back to another video about my truck camper. This is just going to be a quick one. I want to show you just the process of putting the flooring in. This is actually the second floor that's ever been in this truck camper. I did put one in like 2 years ago, but then through all the construction process it got a little beat up, plus I'd messed it up the first time around. So this time I put in another floor. Do everything twice, it works out really well. Also in this video I'm going to show you really briefly how I fixed the countertop. So in a video previous I had talked about putting the countertop in my galley, and I used floor glue for that just because that's what I bought off the internet by accident and I figured it'd work out alright. Let me grab it. This is the glue I had used before, Henry 430 floor tile glue. Don't use that to install your laminate countertops. It does not work. It'll come apart. Learned that the hard way. So I was just impatient and that's what I ordered by accident. I meant to order a different Henry product. I'm sure they make great products, I just bought the wrong one. I ran out to the store and bought this spray adhesive instead. It's pretty similar to like the 3M 90 spray as well, and this worked really well. I'll show that towards the middle or the end of the video. Also in this video I will show putting in the frame around my door, just a couple of trim pieces. Actually, let me show you what trim pieces I'm talking about today. In this video I actually talk about two different trim pieces. So the first one will be this flooring trim. Got this at Home Depot. I was going to do a few different things, I thought about it, but I just bought the pre-stained stuff. Super quick, super easy, pretty cheap too. So that worked out really well. I also talk about the door trim, also a Home Depot product. It's like a plastic 90-degree stuff, and I spray painted this to match everything else in my truck camper, but I just throw that in too real quick. So this is a pretty short video, just going to show again that flooring, the trimmer on the flooring. I show the problem I had with the countertop. I don't show how I fixed it, but I fixed it with the spray, and then I show putting in the trim piece, and then we're done. So without any more, let's show the flooring going in.
We are scrubbing the floor so we can put the flooring in, and it's gonna look so profesh.
Glue, and not the right glue for the job. Oops. Now we know.
Live and learn.
Live and learn. Hey, the sun's coming out.
I know, finally.
So yeah, I just wanted to leave that clip in there to show how bad the countertop really did peel off from the plywood base. I'd be lying if I said I didn't throw a bit of a tizzy fit when I saw the countertop peel off as much as it did. I was really mad at myself for using the wrong product. I knew when I had installed it the first time that I didn't have the exact proper glue, and just like everything else, the right tool for the right job always wins. I went with the spray instead of the roll-on because I was kind of like getting in there since the countertop was kind of partially installed with the sink and stuff. It was a mess, but it worked in the end. And so after that countertop was installed, it was right onto the trim pieces for the floor and the door. that's the floor. Looks great. I'm gonna do the door molding now. A pretty quick video just showing the flooring and the few different trim pieces. I guess one thing I didn't mention before was that I didn't nail any of these trim pieces in. I actually used construction adhesive, 3M VHB. I became familiar with that tape actually at work for a completely different project, but it works really, really well, and I do think it's the right tool for the job. It's the same stuff that all the GoPro mounts use to like stick GoPro mounts to your helmet and things like that. The stuff works just phenomenal for things like putting trim on. So I'm really happy that I used it. If it does become a problem, of course I'll update you. I want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video, and if you have watching all my videos before this, I've actually gotten a really great response from my truck camper videos recently, and it really motivates me to make more and more videos. So thank you so much for liking the videos, for commenting, for subscribing. If you've already subscribed, a huge thank you, and if you haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button right below. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this summer, and I would really appreciate it if you joined the team. Coming up next will be the water tank video, so I'll show kind of my water system. It's in the camper already, totally operational, it works beautifully. It's very heavy in the truck that I discovered, but I'm pretty happy that I have onboard water now. So that's next. After the water will be the electrical, finishing out the galley cabinets and things like that, and then of course using the camper. So thanks so much for watching this video. Please hit like below, send me some comments if you have questions, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye.